morning. This morning I was awakened by the alarm. Before starting activities, I usually drink first, then take a shower. After taking a shower, I get ready to go to campus. I usually go to campus using Transjakarta. This is the morning view every time I go to campus. Today I only have one class. After class, my friends and I usually go to the canteen for lunch. Then we sometimes sit together. It's getting late, it's time to go home. This is the almost night scene when I come home. After arriving at the boarding house, I immediately take a shower and rest.